Flying Terrace, B. Mahangin ba sa labas? I can't believe we're standing here today, celebrating our 10th year anniversary and renewing our wedding vows.
Parang hinihipan lang ng hangin ng panahon. Masaya akong balikan kung paano nga ba nagsimula ang love story natin.
It feels like only yesterday when we were little kindergarten classmates, chasing each other around on the playground. Who would have known that 3.5 decades later, we would end up here together reciting our love for each other in front of our family and friends with our very talkative kisses, looking on happily. I still remember the day we got married. I was nervous, excited, and so deeply in love with you.
Do you believe in magic?
Napakaraming magagandang memories natin ng mga bata. And seeing our picture together, who would have thought na tayo pala yung magkakatagod?
Sana din sa mga susunod pang taon, mabawasan na yung mga tampuhan, pag-aaway, at matupad na natin yung matagal na natin ipinagdarasal na magka-baby na tayo. Kasi alam ko, magiging napakabuti mong tatay sa mga magiging anak natin. Who have thought na yung dating magkalaro, magkaklase lang noon, at nagkahiwalay ng mahabang panahon, ay magtatagpo pang muli. Kung meron mga pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi tinadhana, tayo naman yung pinagtagpong muli at itinadhanang magsama ng panghabang buhay.
I propose that we renew our vows today with the same love, commitment, and joy that we promise each other on our wedding day, and together with our loving families and friends. In doing so, we remember our past, we hope for our future together, and I'm still and will always be the same boy who fell in love with you all those years ago.
Siyempre, tay, na namimiss ka namin.
Miss na talaga.
Sana nandito ka. Gusto namin malaman mo na hindi ka namin nakakalimutan at mahal ka namin.
Marriage is a gift from God. So ang isa't isa sa inyo ay regalo ng ating Panginoon. So kayo ay pinagtagpo at tinadhana ng Panginoon, no?
We will have two lovely children. A boy and a girl. Well, kung pwede, build a beautiful mansion, manage our successful coffee shop together, and grow old together, making good food and drinks together, and celebrating our love together for over 100 years.
Natapos na ang unang 10 taon ng ating married life. Ipinapangako ko sa iyo na patuloy kitang mamahalin, pagsisilbihan, aalagaan at suportahan sa mga pangarap mo din para sa sarili mo at para sa ating dalawa.
Gaya nga sinabi ni Reverend, we are here for each other, to grow, and to be successful in our lives. I want you to soar high, higher than where you are. I want to make your dreams come true, and I want to be there with you every step of the way. I love you now and forever, Ona.